Alrighty then. I have been working on the FST now for a few nights. I have done the oil cyclone reroute to the muffler, and when I was doing that I also looked over some other things. Yes, for precautions, and you should check things periodically, and yeah, well, periodically. Anyway, I noticed one thing that might be of interest for the few of us that actually run these K&N aftermarket filters. They are like half the price of a Polaris original filter. I have one of the original filter here from this sled, and it looks okay. But I changed it anyway because someone has been torquing it down a bit too much. But what I wanted to get to now, and to keep this video somewhat short, as you can see, the original filter is a fair bit longer than the K&N aftermarket filter. So what this means is, with the original filter in the original airbox, the filter gets lodged on this piece of plastic here, and a corresponding piece of plastic up here, that one there. So the filter can't move. It gets very good stationary in there. So it can't move up and down or side to side or anything. And that's important for the next part I found out. It's this plenum here for the turbo. When the filter can move up and down, let's see if I can show you on camera. The part that connects to the turbo charger is bolted or fastened on this side of the compressor, and then it's free to move. So you get a torsion stress factor in the connection just by the hose clamp. And if that one ruptures, you will start to introduce unfiltered air into the compressor, and that's a bad thing. And I noticed that these filters can rock up and down a fair bit if they aren't fastened down. So I took some of these zip ties and drilled some holes in the airbox, and then I could put the zip ties on the filter again. And that keeps the filter in place. So without those filters, the filter can move up and down without the zip ties. And this motion puts a torsion load or a rotational load on the plenum, and it will get destroyed eventually. And I don't know how good the trails are where you live, but my trails are very bad, so this happens a lot. So that's actually a little tech tip that I found, and I bet that other people have done this as well. I mean, I can't be the first one. So that's actually the only thing I wanted to tell you. But as I said, this might be a good tech tip if you would like to try it, just to get the filter to stay still in the airbox. Well, safe travels. Bye.